Hey, I want to give this really quick video today just in my hotel room. You can see my dogs back there. What up, guys? Hope you're all well doing your quarantine thing today, your work thing today, your personal development thing today, whatever it is you're doing. But I wanted to give you a real quick word on investing. And so we have a lot of different fund partners that we're working with right now that are looking at some of the coming opportunities. Obviously, the economy has gone down a little bit. We have some things happening probably in the next 12 to 18 months that are going to be the after effect of people not being able to work, not being able to pay mortgages, rents not coming in, different things like that. And so what I'm looking at is I'm seeing a lot of smaller investors saying, hey, I want to start saving money up and getting into these deals. However, most of them have never invested in this environment before. The average person, if I'm a newer investor, or I'm just learning about it, or I've done a couple of deals, I'm used to maybe going to a deal with a realtor, showing up with, my closing and escrow and all that in hand, and I go make the deal happen. Okay, but what about when it's a deal that's in foreclosure, or there's delinquent financing, or there are circumstances legally or financially or contractually on an investment that make it more complicated than my know-how allows for. So a lot of our funding partners that I'm talking with right now, they're liquid. Okay, smart funds and smart firms, they saw this coming and they got out of it, just like people did with the stock market. Your senators and these larger companies, when the stock market, they got out when they saw this crash coming. A lot of people did that with real estate and with private equity and business investments as well. And so they're in cash, they're waiting for these opportunities, and now is the time to be partnering up with funds and firms that have leverage, right? They have a legal team, they have financing in place, they have experts, they have those that are able to handle all of the back work to make a deal happen that I, as an investor by myself, might not be privy to. All right, so if you've watched any of my stuff, you know that I love investing in real estate. You know that I love using my Sacred account to do that. I like putting money in places that are gonna pay me on a monthly basis. Now is the time to partner up with funds that are available to invest in, that are liquid and waiting for these opportunities and have the resources to help us scale better and get deals done quicker. Okay, so reach out to me if you're interested in that. I have a couple of deals I'm looking at myself right now. I have several clients that are investing as well. And again, it's about having the right team. It's not a small, again, if you look at cash flow quadrant, it's not a small self-employment activity. I want to be investing like a business, which means I've got to have a team. I've got to have professionals. I've got to have experts so I can actually be profitable through really what we're looking at now is a time that the average person hasn't probably seen since the 1930s. So it's a hard thing for me to go about this myself. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. I would say partner up with someone that has the size, the scale, and the systems and knows what they're doing. Reach out to me if you're interested in that. I would love to be of service and connect you with some of our funds and see if maybe we can help you put a plan in place to make it happen. You are able to use retirement account money right now. Very unique scenario. You're able to take up to $100,000 withdrawal from your IRA, from your 401k, penalty free, and as long as we pay it back within 3 years, you're able to have that money working for you tax free as well. So we have deals that actually are custom for that, that'll return it back in 3 years. Great opportunity to take advantage of. Reach out to me. You can email me, call me, text me, message me. I'd love to talk more.